Hey everyone. Today, I'm going to tell you a short story. Along the way, I'll explain some important words and phrases to you. If you need to, pause the video or take some notes. The goal here is to activate these words and start using them naturally. All right, let's get started. Lately, I've felt like something was missing. Lately means recently or in the past few weeks or months. For example, lately I've been really busy with work. You can use lately anytime you want to talk about something that's been happening recently. It sounds very natural. Every morning I wake up and just go through the motions, getting dressed, commuting, sitting at my desk, without feeling truly connected to anything. Go through the motions means doing things automatically without real feeling or passion. For example, after so many years he was just going through the motions at his job. It's a great phrase to describe when someone is doing something in a robotic way. It's like a part of me is dormant, buried under years of responsibilities and societal expectations. Dormant means inactive or sleeping, but it can wake up again. For example, my passion for painting has been dormant for years. It's often used to describe things that are temporarily inactive but still alive. Deep down, I'm drawn to something else, but I can't quite name it. Drawn to means feeling naturally attracted or pulled toward something. For example, I feel drawn to the ocean. Whenever you feel an inner pull toward something, you can say you're drawn to it. There's this nagging feeling that something is amiss. A nagging feeling is a persistent feeling that keeps bothering you. And amiss means that something is wrong or not quite right. For example, something seemed amiss when he didn't answer my calls. Last weekend, I decided to spend some time alone in nature, hoping to reconnect with myself. Reconnect means to connect again, especially after being disconnected. For example, I need to reconnect with some old friends. As I wandered along a quiet trail listening to the rustle underfoot, and the creek washing over the rocks, something inside me shifted. Shifted means something changed or moved. For example, his attitude shifted after the meeting. I came alive. I realized I had been running from my true self for years, chasing security instead of meaning. Come alive means to feel full of life, full of energy and excitement. For example, she really comes alive when she's painting. It takes courage to listen to that primal pull inside you, to follow the twists and turns of a path that isn't clear. Courage means bravery. Primal pull refers to a deep, instinctive feeling inside you. Twists and turns describes unexpected changes and surprises along a journey. But I know now that I want to align my life with what truly lights me up. Align means to bring into the correct position or to make things agree. For example, I want to align my work with my personal values. Bit by bit, I'm learning to trust my inner compass again, rediscover my roots, and build a life that actually makes sense to me. Inner compass is that inner sense of direction that tells you what's right for you. Roots means your true origin, your core identity. And make sense means to be logical, reasonable, or meaningful. Now, let's practice. Here are 10 sentences that you can use in real conversations. 1. Lately, I've been feeling a bit off. Pause, repeat. 2. I need to stop going through the motions and start enjoying life more. Pause, repeat. 3. I think my passion for painting has been dormant for a while. Pause, repeat. 4. I feel really drawn to the idea of living in the mountains. Pause, repeat. 5. There's always this nagging feeling that I'm not doing enough. Pause, repeat. 6. I'm going to reconnect with nature this weekend. Pause, repeat. 7. His perspective shifted after the meeting. Pause, repeat. 8. She came alive when she was talking about her favorite book. Pause, repeat. 9. It takes a lot of courage to change careers. Pause, repeat. 10. I need to align my daily routine with my goals. Pause, repeat. So guys, try to make a sentence with every word you learned today. Pause the video, Create your own sentence, say it out loud, or write it down. The more you use these words, the faster they will become part of your active vocabulary. I'm really excited to hear your examples.